took the risk to build our own engine, as we took it 2005 when we entered Formula One.
For the first time, you were designing the chassis and the power unit under the same roof.
Everyone is ready and very excited to start this chapter.
This is more than just a livery
Well,
video.
to set the stage is represent
You know, to be in the game today, meaning to be running with that level of consistency, the dominating feeling is one of being incredibly proud of everyone back in Milton Keynes. What has been achieved is nothing short of historical.